Have you ever seen a tiny seed turn into a big green plant? Let's watch together. Here's a little seed, tucked snugly into the cozy, crumbly soil. Look! The magic begins right away. Roots start wriggling down, just like little fingers searching for a drink. Up above, a tiny sprout peeks out and stretches towards the warm sun. Can you see it growing? Plants start as tiny seeds, smaller than your little fingernail. But seeds can't grow on their own. They need 3 special things. First, some lovely water. Drip, drop, splish, splash. The water soaks into the soil and wakes the seed. Next, gentle sunlight. It shines down and sparkles, helping the plant wake up and stretch high. And of course, soft, rich soil. That's where the roots live and get cozy. Watch those roots. Deep underground, they reach and wiggle, sipping water and holding the plant steady. Above the ground, the stem grows taller, up, 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 and leaves unfold like tiny green hands. Plants use sunlight to make their own yummy food and grow strong. Let's have a wonder moment. The earth glows softly as the roots twirl and dance. Back above ground, our plant grows bigger. Look, a flower blooms with petals as bright as a rainbow. A tree stretches tall and wide. A vegetable pokes out, green and proud. The more sunshine and water a plant gets, the stronger it grows. Isn't that amazing? So the next time you see a plant, whether it's a tiny sprout or a big leafy tree, remember it started as something tiny and brave. Thanks for watching Brightbloom. Subscribe for more magical science adventures.